Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your background in Zoom meeting. So if you're tired of showing off your messy room in every Zoom call, here a super quick and easy way on how you can change the background of your meeting. So here I'm going to do it on Zoom mobile. First, let's launch the Zoom applications. So now it's called Zoom Workplace. So if you still have an old version of Zoom, you need to upgrade it first. You can update the apps on the Google Play or App Store. So now let's start a meeting. Let's say in here, I'm going to just start a meeting here. Okay, it's still connecting. So actually in the new Zoom update, when you want to change the background, usually you can just go to more and go to the meeting settings, and you'll find the options to change the background in here. But as you guys can see, there's no such options because you can change now the background by using a third party. So you need to go to the apps menu in here at the bottom, and you'll be directed to this apps page. Now you'll see this option, virtual background. So you need to click on this one. This is where you can choose virtual backgrounds for your meetings. So this one is powered by Paxel, so it uses a third party. You can see there are lots of categories such as nature, interiors, art, travel. So you can just choose which background that you want to use. Click on the background, and there will be this option to set background. So let's click on that, and after that your background will be changed. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.